So guys, good morning. Another day, another lesson na naman po ang ituturo natin sa ating mahal na anak. So for this video or today's lesson, ituturo po natin kung paano maging malinis. Specifically, pagka umaga, pagkagising ay lagi po nating liligpitin ang ating mga kalat. So ayan, kinuha ko na ang kalat ko dahil ginawa ko yung pamawis. So Amanda, every time you wake up guys, you should always clean your bed. So ready to go and clean as you go. Yan. Ayan po. Mandy, come here. Okay, so please. Una, pillow muna. Yan. And after the pillows, ayan po, mga blanket. Papakita natin. Wait lang. Yan. Mandy, go. Your pillow. Come on. Yan. Oops. Okay. Are you sure? Smell it first. Baka amoy laway yan, guys. So.
May laway.
Ha?
May laway.
Amoy laway. Oh, so that's yours. Legit. Oh, put that yours. So yan po ang purpose pag ginaamoy. Para malaman po ang punan ninyo. Para walang palitan ng laway.
Everything smells like laway.
Everything?
Yeah.
But you can smell mama's own saliva in yours, right? Okay, so now.
Last time I was crying there.
Okay, yeah. So now, blanket na tayo, Mandy.
Okay,
Right?
But it's hard.
The pillows are good. Okay.
But it's hard.
Pillows are aligned, yeah. There. So the hair, I will teach you. So guys, pwede nyo rin itong gawin, of course. Ayan. First. Ayan po, and dulo, Mandy, yan o.
Okay.
The end of that is like a square. The corner of the square for both. And then, like this. Put them together. No. Put them together like this, Mandy. So, nakita mo yan? I'm forming a... Wait. Yan, medyo may amoy. Just kidding. So after forming that, another one. No, here. Mandy, come on. I'm teaching you. Oh. Yan, kunti-kunti po nating lilinyahin. Parang kinakapan natin. Ayan na po. Nakabuo na tayo ng what shape?
Square.
Yes, but
Rectangle.
rectangle. Good. And now this rectangle. Again, corner to corner again. Ayan na po. So yan na, nakikita nyo, medyo malapit na guys. Mandy, okay?
Okay.
Yan.
Are you performing like a magician?
Now, what shape is this now?
Rectangle.
Rectangle also. So that's it. One more fold. And there you go guys.
It's a square.
Okay. So marami na naman po kayo natutunan. Napakasimpleng bagay pero malaking bagay po yan. Lalo na sa ating mga kabataan ngayon. So that's it guys. And now, I will also gone. Dahil pagka tinupi nyo ang inyong kumot, bibiyayaan kayo ni Lord ng kapangyarihang mag-magic.